Hi everybody, welcome back to Khadijah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy, super simple chia pudding. This pudding is super healthy and also really easy to make, so let's get started. First you're going to need some small jars. You can find these at any department store or kitchen supply store. Next, grab any type of milk. I used coconut milk for this recipe, but you can use almond milk, whole milk, any type of milk. And finally, you will need some chia seeds. Start by opening up the jar and putting in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. You might have to change this amount depending on how big or small your jars are. It should fill up like the base of the jar. Chia seeds are a good source of nutrients for your heart, plus you can add them to a variety of different things. So next we're going to pour milk until it fills a little more than half of your jar. So if your milk isn't already sweetened like this coconut milk, you can use maple syrup or honey to sweeten it up. Now you can stir it all up using a fork to separate all the chia seeds from each other. It might take about 2 to 3 minutes to get all of the seeds stirred in properly. Close and seal the jar. If you're only making one, just let it sit for a minute. But if you're planning on making a lot more, just grab more jars and repeat the process. I think what's really interesting about this recipe is that it really only needs 2 ingredients, and once it's done, it's really delicious. You can also use this as a base recipe to add your own flavors, such as cocoa powder, different syrups, just to add in your own flavor. Once you're finished, let the jars set for 1 minute. Before you put the jars into the fridge, you'll need to stir them up one more time so the chia seeds don't get stuck to the bottom. Let the jars sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And here's the pudding the next morning. Once you take it out of the fridge, you can eat it plain or you can add sliced fruits or berries. So I put in blueberries and blackberries. And now you're done. Enjoy this pudding for breakfast or as a quick snack in the middle of the day. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I hope you got a chance to try this recipe out at home. It's really good, and if you have, leave a comment on how it was like. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have fun, stay safe, bye!